How to recover deleted TikTok messages. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover the messages that are deleted on TikTok. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. The first thing is you need to download the updated version of TikTok. After that, what you're going to do is simply log in into your account and open TikTok. So after logging in into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do, the next step is just head over to your profile at the bottom right. After that, just tap on the menu bar at the top right. After tapping on it, just go to settings and privacy. And here under settings and privacy, I want you to choose the option called account on the very first. After that, here you should be able to see an option called download your data. So here when you scroll down to the second last option, you can easily find that option called download your data, where you can download your data including the text message that is deleted. So you're just going to wait for it to load first. After that, you can see select data to download, just tap on all data, or you may just go to custom, just tap on custom, and here you can see messages. So simply tap on messages here. After that, tap on done. After that, simply tap on request data, or you may just download the data as well, and just tap on request data to go on with the process of downloading the data. And it says that your data is being processed. The pop-up appears, which means it will take some time for your data to be downloaded. After your data is downloaded, you should be able to see the messages that has been deleted very easily. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to recover your deleted messages on TikTok very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.